You want to make a VRChat world or a VRChat avatar? Well, you'll need the creator companion and the correct Unity version for that. Well, let me help you get that set up. And just to torture myself more, I am going back and uninstalling everything just so that I have a fresh start like y'all would. Make your way over to the VRChat website and either log in or sign up and link your account. But here on the left hand side, we're going to go down to download. You can read more into the creator companion, but we're just going to skip that and go to downloading the companion. After it's done installing, double click on it and go through the setup process. After the creator companion is installed, open it up and you can see we don't have the proper Unity version. You can see some of my remnant projects, but don't worry about that. We're gonna make our way down to settings and click on it. Inside settings, there will be a pop-up saying that we don't have the correct version. We will click install now. After we click install Unity, you can see these are all the steps we need to set it up, and it even provides you with links. So let's click on the Unity hub. It's gonna take us to the Unity hub download, and we're gonna click on it and install it, and then we're going to run it just like we did before. You can see we finished step 1 and step 2, so now we just need to open up Unity hub and then we need to activate our license. Click on your profile on the top left, go manage license, go license, click add, and click get a free personal license. If there's any problems getting your license, you can click that link, but we're going to click I have installed Unity hub. And now we're going to install the Unity version it recommends. Now, this can take quite a while, so just be patient and run through the setup, and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, now that it's done, we'll click continue, and you can see everything is ready. You can add existing projects, create new ones, or I'm just going to open up my creator companion again because I already have projects. If the auto setup isn't working, then you can just go to the Unity archive and download Unity 2022.3.22F1. Make sure you download the universal Windows support and the Android support. And once it's done installing, then you want to go over to the settings of the VRChat Creator Companion, and you want to add a new editor, and you want to find the file path to that, well, where you downloaded it. You should be able to find it in your program files under Unity. It auto-linked it for me, so it's gonna say, oh, we already have that. So, awesome.